Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nora G. So today I will be sharing with you 10 reasons why you should start jumping rope today, like right now. Yes, I will do that while I actually get my daily dose of jump rope for today. So let's hit it. You can pick up that rope and join me if you want. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back, and don't forget to smash that like button. Okay, let's get into it. According to the Jump Rope Institute, 10 minutes of jumping is equivalent to 30 minutes of running. Probably biased, but I like it. I've experienced the difference. And these are my reasons why you should start jumping rope today. Reason number 1. It tones the muscles in your lower and upper body. Jumping rope is better cardio than running because it requires more muscle from your upper body and core. It really tones your leg muscles. It is not unusual to experience leg pain and soreness after the first day. That is because those muscles have been inactive for a while. When this happens, make sure to rest and allow them to recover. As you continue your jump rope routine, it gets better and better. In the long run, it leads to greater lower body strength improvement. Reason number 2, it is a very effective weight loss tool and more time efficient. Just to give you some perspective, a good jump rope workout can burn around 100 to 350 calories in 10 to 30 minutes. Multiply that by 5 in a given week. I recently had a maximum calorie burn of 1,190 calories within 1 hour 53 minutes of doing 10,000 skips. That was a one-time personal challenge, so I am currently sticking to 1,000 to 2,500 jump ropes 5 days a week. This weight loss component is most effective when we are mindful of what we eat. So if you are looking to drop some pounds, jump rope is for you. Reason number 3, it is easily accessible. You do not need any fancy equipment, gym memberships, a personal trainer, or any previous fitness experience to be able to jump rope. A jump rope is cheap. It is easy to find. You can get it online or in stores. Check the link in my description box on where to get the digital counter jump rope. It is also compact. You can carry it around easily, and most of all, it is a very effective tool to get you into shape. With jump rope, you can stay fit on vacation if you want to, or if you're a very busy person with very little time to commit to long workouts or to drive to the gym, jump rope is definitely for you. Reason number 4, it improves cardiovascular health. Jump rope is one of the best forms of cardio exercises that really contributes to a healthy and strong heart. You improve the capacity of your cardiovascular body work when you jump rope, and by so doing, your heart will work more efficiently. As you progress with your jump rope routine, you will notice your breathing will improve, as you will suffer less from shortness of breath while performing other exercises. This is why a lot of athletes actually incorporate jump rope into their daily routine. Reason number 5, jump rope improves bone density. Jumping rope helps strengthen the bones. It also helps to prevent bone-related diseases like osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a disease characterized by low bone mass and structural deterioration of bone tissue, leading to bone fragility and an increased risk of fractures. Men as well as women are affected by osteoporosis, a disease that can be prevented and treated. Naturally, after age 35, our bone mass starts to decrease, and even more quickly for women after menopause. So what are you waiting for? Go get that rope and start jumping today. Reason number 6, jump rope helps improve our skin. Exercise in general improves the skin a great deal. Jump rope is no exception. As we jump rope, we improve blood circulation and eliminate toxins. So if beautiful skin is your goal, you want to make jump rope or exercise your friend. Reason number 7, it is safer than running. Jump rope is said to be safer than running or jogging, as you're bouncing on your toes as opposed to using your heels or entire foot. It is a low impact form of exercise compared to running, as it puts way less pressure and stress on your joints. And although jump rope still involves some impact, it is greatly minimized compared to running, especially when you implement certain techniques like distributing the weight evenly between both feet when you land, or practicing side to side jump rope where you barely jump, as you can see. Reason number 8, it forces good posture and core activation. Another major benefit of jump rope is that it is hard to do it with really poor form, as the rope forces you to learn pretty quick. The rope is your teacher. You will trip countless times, as you have seen me do in this video. It will whip you several times and you will keep making mistakes until you find your rhythm and learn how to do it properly. Most of the impact of jump rope is taken through the leg muscles. The erect posture forces the abdominal muscles to hold your core tight and work in perfect coordination with your back muscles. So even without a waist trainer, you still get a good core activation. Reason number 9, jump rope helps with balance and coordination. Studies, like one published in the Journal of Sports Science and Medicine in 2015, have proven that jump rope training can help improve overall balance and motor coordination. Simply put, jumping around results in stronger, more powerful muscles, which are able to contract and therefore react more quickly. Also, when you exercise, you increase blood flow to your brain, which helps you think more sharply. Plus, the brain releases dopamine and endorphins that gives you a boost of good feelings, decrease your perception of pain, and help you emotionally regulate. And finally, reason number 10, it burns calories. Newsflash. This is one of the major benefits of jump rope. You can include short sets of high-intensity intervals to activate your muscles and burn more calories. Studies have shown that jump rope can help you develop your muscles over time. It is a full-body exercise that uses all your muscles. You can choose to make it very low impact or very high impact. It is all in the intensity. One of the beautiful things about jump rope is that you have full control of the intensity level. So that sums it up for the 10 reasons why you should start jumping rope today. Keep in mind that although jump rope is good, you have to be very careful. The shoes you wear and the surface you jump on matters a lot. Comfortable soft shoes and a level surface will avoid a lot of injuries. Also, if you are over 100 kilograms or over 200 pounds, you should skip for short periods of time, that is in intervals of 1 to 2 minutes, no more than 5 minutes at a time, to avoid injuries. Moreover, if you suffer from any form of knee, leg, or back injury, you may want to sit out on this one. Avoid jumping altogether. In a nutshell, jump rope workouts, just like a good run, will leave you huffing and puffing. Nonetheless, the best exercise for burning fat is the one you will stick with over the long term. So go with what you know you're most likely to stick with and that which you find enjoyable. Personally, I find jump rope more enjoyable and very convenient, as I can do it anytime, anywhere, be it winter or summer. With that said, I hope these were more than enough reasons for you to start jumping rope today. No more excuses. Thank you again for watching. I hope this inspires you to get moving. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to hit that like button and also to hit the subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and turn on the notification bells so you don't miss a thing. In the meantime, always remember to be your fun self no matter what life throws at you.